Hey guys, I said I would have a break from social media, but I have had a little break from YouTube, and I didn't record, but there's a reason. But we're going to do Mailtime, and I lost some things due to being scammed. I ain't saying, but let's start. Oh, by the way guys, this is the girl who scammed me, so please report her. Messaged AJHQ and they have not replied, so I feel like they don't care. So let's start. So this is Summy. He was there when I got scammed, and yeah, rare Spartan armor, that's nice. Shout out to you, Summy. He also gave me an orange wristband. Shadow Ren Wolfia, rare baseball cap. Thank you once again. We had a gift war. Winged collar. Thank you again, Shadow Ren Wolf. And to you, Rare Wolf Mask. I know half these don't watch my YouTube videos, but still. And Animal Jam does rock. Shock 36. Oh god, here's my friend. Living surprise. Oh my god, a masterpiece. Oh my god, that is so cute. Thank you. HD television, that was from a fashion show actually. Thank you, Anessa. Oh, purple bud list. Anyway, thank you. Wolf 006. Got Mech Angel helmet. Thank you. Loving surprise again. Polar Bear Claw. Thank you. Arctic Hood. Thank you. Sorry about that, we had technical difficulty. Red Demon Mask, oh my god, thank you again. Red Tene Bene. Holiday Sweater. Jim Holiday Scar. Oh, Medusa Mask. Awesome Kitty. Rare Medusa Mask from Awesome Kitty again. Got Painter Smock from Milky Bro. Rare Sunshine Galoshes. That's that rare on Monday that I couldn't find. And then they just randomly gifted me. Short Pine Tree. Thank you. Ambikins. Ancient Myra Amulet. Thank you. Butterful Giovi. Here, ... Eye patch. I'm gonna discard that, but thank you. Hello 7878. Oh no, wrong button. I love your videos, you're simply amazing. That is loving my friend. And oh my god, Imprisoned Phantoms. Oh, I've got another. We're gonna have to name them. And I've got a regular from Fashion Q11, so thank you all so much for the gifts. I know half of you probably don't watch, but I just want to look at the. Oh my god, it's Pixel. Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh, that is so cute. That fox is so cute, and then. Oh my god, they're actually good clouds, better than what I can do. I would have said this on that and just like do some shading, but that actually looks really good. But hey. Let's go just put our Imprisoned Phantoms into our den. Real quick. Look, we're gonna have to give them names. So on the bottom cage we have Bob, Bill, and George. On the top we have Jerry, Timmy, and Keith, in honour of my granddad. Anyway, I will start a Minecraft series, but I've already started the house. Like, I'll do like the base, but then like, and build it up, and then you guys can actually watch me, and then I will. So yeah guys, I don't know if I'll start it, but yeah. Bye! I'm having a break from AJ for a bit. Bye!